So you want to know how to start dropshipping in 2023. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start dropshipping in 2023 from point A to point B.
First, you want to find a product. While there are many ways to find the products, the easiest method and the free method is the TikTok method.
What is the TikTok method?
Go to TikTok and search up hashtag TikTok made me buy it. Go through the videos. There's many products you can use from these videos. Now, what you want to do is you also want to look at the engagement in the comments to see if it's an actually good product. The comments are able to tell you if the customer actually likes it and if people are liking it. There are 3 criteria you want to follow. The first is if the product solves a problem. You want the product to be useful. You want the product to solve a specific problem. For example, if you're in the beauty niche and you're finding beauty products, you want the product to solve like an acne problem, or it glows your skin, or something around that area. Likewise, if you're in the pet niche, you want the product to solve a problem like a lint roller that picks up the fur off the couch, for example. The second criteria is you want to make sure you're able to sell it 3 times the cost. Now you can go on AliExpress and look for the product that you saw on TikTok. See how much it costs and see if it makes sense if you increase the price by 3 times. You don't want to sell a brush that costs about $10 and you're selling it for $30. It just doesn't make sense. So it has to make sense. The price has to make sense. A good way to tell if the price will make sense is what I do is I go on Amazon, see how much they're selling it for. My prices are always higher than Amazon. But if it's in the same area, let's say on Amazon, it's $25 and I'm selling it for $30 on my store, it's still within the same area. So it does make sense. The next, you want to create a brand name around your niche. So what I do is I go on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me a brand name. With that brand name, you want to create an email. You want a professional email that has your brand name. You don't want to use your personal email, then the customers will see this is not a legitimate business. Next, you want to create an account with Shopify. Shopify is the #1 platform to use for e-commerce in dropshipping specifically. I have a discount in the video description below. You can sign up with my link. After you sign up for Shopify, you want to go ahead and set up the store. I'm not gonna go through how to make the store and set up the store in this video, but I'll make a specific video on setting up the store. Then you want to link the product to the store. You can use either Zendrop or CJ Dropshipping. You can go to the app section in Shopify and you can see all the different apps that you can use to link AliExpress products to your store. The next, you want to have a good product page set up. I'm going to have the product page set up and the store set up in a separate video since that will take a little longer time. So subscribe and make sure you put on the notification for when that video comes out. After you set up the store, you set up the product page, now you want to make a TikTok account. You want the TikTok account to be your brand name. You want everything. You want the logo for your profile picture. And then you want to order the product that you are selling from Amazon. Once you have received the product, you want to start making organic videos. On TikTok, you want to post at least 2 to 3 times a day for at least 30 days. You want to see what the engagement is like. You want to see if people are commenting. After 30 days, you can really tell if this is a winning product. If it is a winning product and your product becomes viral, you will see the sales. I have done this many times. So good luck to you. Dropshipping is not saturated. You can still do it in 2023. So whoever's telling you you can still do it. So many people are still doing it. It's just up to you to put in that hard work and the effort. Like I said, treat it like a real business. Be consistent and stay on top of it. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe, like the video, and comment for any suggestions or any other type of content you want to see. Until next time.